So now we will see how we start properly adding polynomials, which is very similar to what we just did combining like terms. So how is adding polynomials like adding whole numbers? That is a very interesting example. So notice how here like the units are in green, the tens are in blue, and the hundreds are in red. And you can add units, you can combine tens, and you can combine hundreds. So numbers in the same color are combined. 3 plus 5, 8, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 4, 5. So if we were adding polynomials with coefficients 1, 2, and 3, here is 1, 2, and 3, same numbers are as in here, and coefficients on the other hand 4 and 5. First, we need to put line up those same degree terms, and we would basically proceed as we did here. You can see that you can combine the 3 and the 5 because they are like terms. They are units basically. They play the role that here units play. And here 2 plus 0 because you don't have any more terms with exponent 1, but you have two terms with exponent 2. So you combine 1, remember there is a magical invisible 1 right there, 1 plus 4 is 5. So you will have to write your answer like this, right? So don't forget, you will not combine any terms which don't have the same letter with the same variable. So over here we got same letter, but we have exponent 1 here and exponent 2 right there. Hopefully you're thinking of that algebra tiles, those algebra tiles that we did before. So these are different objects. They look different. So the terms but must be aligned with like terms. So that's what we did here. And this is like very similar to what we did with adding the whole numbers there. So let's get to like a way to add these two polynomials. In this case, this is a trinomial, 1, 2, and 3 terms. It's a quadratic trinomial, and this one is a quadratic binomial on 2 terms. So we got 2 methods. We have method 1, which is let's line up like terms. So 3x squared and 4x squared are like terms. So we lined them up, one below the other. And we lined up the -3 and the 6 because those are constants or 0 degree terms. And we combine them. 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 0 is 2, and -3 plus 6 will be 3. The calculator will help you to find those numbers if you don't have a good mental math to do it. But let's see how else we can do it. We can just do it horizontally. So last time we did it vertically. This time we are going to do it horizontally. So we're going to look for those terms that are like terms. So the 4x squared and the 3x squared, we'll put those together. Then the 2x, notice I'm being careful to start with the greatest degree. So the greatest exponent. Then the next one is 1. There's only one of those. And there are 2 constants. So we group them according to which ones are like terms, and then we combine. 4 plus 3 is 7, this is only 2x, and this is -3 plus 6. The calculator will tell us that's 3. All right, so that's how you add. So now I'm going to ask you to please stop the video, pause it, try this too. I'm trying to give you time to pause the video, and then check your answers. If you check your answers here, is again, you want it in your notebook, the sum in standard form. That's how I want you guys to get into the habit of giving your answers to adding polynomials in standard form. And then the next one is -2x to the second power plus 8x. So see how well you did and come with questions to me, please. So now we will stop right there, continue with the next example in the next video.